Are you struggling to install the Shapely package and getting an error message that says OSError, WinError 126? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to get your work done and an installation error pops up. It feels like you're hitting a brick wall, right? But don't worry, we're here to break through that wall. Here's the situation. One user tried to install Shapely using pip and encountered an error about a missing module. They also attempted to use Conda, but that didn't work either. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what does this error mean? The WinError 126 typically indicates that a required DLL file is missing. In this case, it seems like the installation is looking for geos.dll, which is crucial for Shapely to function properly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid similar issues in the future. You won't want to miss it. To begin resolving this issue, the user should ensure that they have the necessary dependencies installed. Specifically, Shapely relies on the Geos library. The user can download the appropriate Geos binaries for Windows. Next, the user needs to add the path of the Geos library to their system's environment variables. This will help Python locate the required DLL files when installing Shapely. After setting up the environment variables, the user should open a new command prompt to ensure the changes take effect. Then, they can attempt to install Shapely again using pip. If the user still encounters issues, they can try installing Shapely using Conda instead of pip. This can sometimes resolve dependency problems more effectively. Finally, if the user continues to experience problems, they should consider updating their Anaconda distribution and Python version to ensure compatibility with the latest packages. Fun fact, did you know that the name Shapely comes from the idea of creating geometric shapes? It's a powerful library for geometric operations, and we want to get it working for you. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from another user who found success with a different command. They suggest that while pip install Shapely didn't work for them, using Conda install Shapely did the trick on their Windows system. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves installing OSError. First, download and install OSError from the official website. Then copy the geot.dll and geos.dll files to the Anaconda library bin directory. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user involves copying the geos.dll files. They suggest locating the geos.dll files in your Shapely installation directory and copying them to the library bin folder of your environment. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check for missing dependencies before installation. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to install Shapely without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. Remember, you're not alone in this tech journey.